Good morning, you silly chickens. There you go. Good chickens. Yeah. Good chickens. Good chickens. Yeah. Good chickens. Joe Dirt Rooster. Durka Durka. Happy free range chickens. Yeah. How's your water? Still got water in here. Still got water in this one. And that one. Good chickens. Got my chicken poop mask on. This stuff is pretty airborne. We got a very, very airy chicken coop. A lot more airy than most that I've cleaned. And this stuff is kind of airborne. You see it floating in there. Sorry, chickens. You guys don't got a face mask. Super airy. This is the driest chicken coop I think I've ever cleaned. Each scoop is super easy to pick up. It doesn't have any water weight in it. Chickies, coming through. All these two-wheel wheelbarrows are so much easier. Beautiful free-range chickens. Beautiful free-range chickens. My sheep are around the house, grazing, making milk. And it's time to milk. It's 6 p.m. I milk at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m., and 10 p.m. And my little dairy sheep first time freshener is filling this up 5 times a day. It's a half gallon a day at least. And a half gallon of sheep milk is 2,100 calories. Whereas a half gallon of goat milk is only 1,300 calories. You cannot live off of goat milk, but you can live off sheep milk. Better hurry up. You're gonna miss the crew. Look how fat and healthy you are. Oh my god. These are the fattest, healthiest chickens. And this water's clean right now. I just cleaned it yesterday and cleaned out their inside one. And that one over there, I did not clean out. This is what it looks like. It just has tons of crap in it.